Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to block websites on Chrome. So first you have to simply go to the browser and there you have to search for Google Web Store. Simply get there and after that you have to go to these extensions. Once you click onto it, then you will be able to find any Google Chrome extensions. So for that you have to search for block site. So there you will get different results, but the first one is the actual one. You can see it has over 31,000 downloads and you can also see it is featured. So you have to click on add to Chrome. If you have this extension, then you can block any website of your choice, and when someone goes to that website through your this browser, that website will not open. Once the extension has been installed, then you have to simply go to its website. So for that you have to click onto its link and then you have to go to its website. Another tab will open and you will get here. Now here you have to click onto this option, try for free, and after that it will take you to this next link. Here it will show you its subscription plan. It also comes with a basic one, which is the free one, and it also has a subscription. In the subscription you can block all the websites of your choice. There's no limitation to it, but in the basic plan you can do it for limited one. Once you have selected your plan, then you will be able to choose which website you would like to block. If you have the unlimited one, then you can block any website. But if you have the free version, then there will be some limitation and you will be only to do it for specific website. So click onto this option, which is add to block list. Once you click onto it, then you will see the websites or the platforms that you can block. If you have the unlimited one, then you can block any one of these. Otherwise you can do it on the selected website. So if that comes within that, you can just simply select it. Otherwise you have to get its subscription and you will be able to do it. So click onto this option and then choose the website that you want to block. So for example, I'm gonna do it on the Facebook. Therefore I have selected and I'm just gonna add it. Now it has been added. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to the Facebook to show you if that website is blocked or not. So once I get to there, you can see it shows that this website is blocked. So that's how you can block websites on Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.